I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos step by step. First, let's prepare our taco shells. You can use hard corn shells or soft flour tortillas, depending on your preference. For hard shells, warm them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. If you prefer soft tortillas, heat them in a dry pan for about 30 seconds per side until they are warm and flexible, ready for your delicious fillings. Now for the star of the show, the filling. For a classic taco, brown 1 pound of ground beef or chicken, then mix in your favorite taco seasoning according to package directions. If you prefer a vegetarian option, seasoned black beans or roasted vegetables work wonderfully. Make sure your filling is thoroughly cooked and seasoned perfectly to your taste. The toppings are where you can really customize your taco experience. Prepare fresh ingredients like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and finely chopped onions. Don't forget to offer a variety of sauces and dairy, such as cheese, sour cream, salsa, and creamy guacamole. Finally, assemble your tacos by layering the filling, then your chosen toppings into your warmed shells. Time to enjoy your delicious homemade tacos. Serve them immediately to ensure the best taste and texture. You can also offer extra salsa or hot sauce on the side for those who like a little extra kick. And hey, while you're enjoying your meal, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.